Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto OnChain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Tapswap confirms token generation event and listing date. Everything you need to know. The much-anticipated moment for Tapswap supporters has finally arrived. The team has officially announced the token generation event, TG, date for its native token, $TPS, scheduled for January 23, 2025. This announcement signals a major milestone for Tapswap as it continues to expand its presence in the Web3 and crypto ecosystem. While the announcement is a cause for celebration among some in the community, it also brings mixed emotions due to the platform's history of delays. Let's dive into the details of the TGE, the community reaction, the expected impact of $TPS, and what this means for Tapswap moving forward. What is the Tapswap TGE? The token generation event is a crucial step in the lifecycle of any blockchain project. For Tapswap, the TG will mark the official launch of $TPS, a utility token designed to power its ecosystem. From rewarding players in skill-based games to staking and governance, $TPS will play a pivotal role in driving engagement and incentivizing users on the platform. The initial total supply of $TPS is set at 18 billion tokens, ensuring ample availability for both early adopters and future participants. Why the January 23, 2025 date is significant. The team at Tapswap stated that the chosen date is not arbitrary. After months of setbacks and planning, they have assured the community that the extra time was spent fine-tuning the tokenomics, addressing potential technical issues, and aligning with the broader crypto market to maximize the impact of the launch. What makes $TPS unique? Tapswap has carved out a niche with its tap-to-earn model, a concept that merges gaming with crypto rewards. By playing Tapswap's skill-based games, users earn $TPS tokens, creating a gamified ecosystem that combines entertainment with real-world value. The token's functionality doesn't stop there. $TPS can also be staked for rewards, traded on major exchanges, or used to participate in governance decisions, giving holders a say in Tapswap's future direction. Community reactions, excitement, and doubts. As news of the TGE spread across Tapswap's social media and communication channels, reactions poured in from the community. Optimistic supporters. Many users are excited about finally seeing progress after what felt like an eternity of waiting. For them, the TGE is a step closer to realizing the platform's full potential. Skeptics. On the flip side, several longtime supporters expressed frustration. Tapswap's history of missed deadlines has left some doubting whether this date will stick or if the token will live up to the hype. One community member commented, "I want to believe, but Tapswap has let us down before. This better not be another empty promise." The Tapswap team has acknowledged these concerns but remains confident in their ability to meet this timeline. They've called on the community to rally together and help make the launch a success. How to get ready for the $TPS launch. To ensure users can fully participate in the TGE and listing event, Tapswap has shared a roadmap of activities to help everyone prepare. Join official channels. Follow Tapswap on Telegram and Discord for real-time updates and exclusive announcements. Earn extra rewards. Participate in Tapswap tournaments to collect special codes and win additional $TPS tokens before the listing. Spread the word. Share the January 23 listing date with friends, family, and social media followers to generate excitement. Stay informed. Keep track of the latest Tapswap developments by following their blog and social media channels. What to expect after the launch. Tapswap plans to list $TPS on 4 to 5 major cryptocurrency exchanges shortly after the TG. While the exact names of these exchanges have not been disclosed, the team has hinted at targeting top-tier platforms to ensure maximum visibility and liquidity for $TPS. Price predictions and market impact. Analysts predict the initial price of $TPS to fall between 3 cents and 5 cents, based on a projected market capitalization of $700 to $800 million. This range reflects optimism about Tapswap's innovative ecosystem and the growing popularity of its tap-to-earn gaming model. Tapswap's tokenomics are designed to create long-term value. By introducing features like staking, governance participation, and gaming incentives, the platform aims to drive sustained demand for $TPS while offering holders multiple ways to benefit.